right, I am excited. I got my new van. I have a really cool build idea for it. I just got back from LA. I went to New Jersey to LA, back to New Jersey in 8 days. It's quite the feat. I'm not gonna do it again, but it's done. I cleaned everything this morning, took everything out. It looked like a mess. Took all the walls off, scrubbed everything down. It's all ready for insulation. Well, today I'm going to insulate and paint it. I only have like a week left of warm weather left in New Jersey, so that stuff is getting done first. I'm gonna move this whole thing into the sun, let it warm up, go to Home Depot, get what I need, and we'll get started. Let the fun begin. All right, I'm back from Home Depot. Got everything I need. I thought I was gonna know the paint that I did my last one, like the right paint, but I didn't. So this might not be an exact match, but I guess that's fine. I'm gonna test it on the hood first. Scrubbed it all down, tape everything up. Time to paint. All right, this side is done, and I'm gonna use it as a stopping point for now. This all needs second coats and touch-ups and all that, but for now, I'm gonna use the rest of this sunlight and get the insulation in. So let's do that. All right, insulation time. Nozzle. There's kind and kind. Yellow, big ones. Then I switched to short nozzle. Get it in everywhere. You don't want it on your skin. I'm gonna wear gloves. It's best to keep the bottles in the box so you can slide it around easier if they're apart. It's a whole mess. I always spray the wheel wells because why not? But I feel like a lot of people don't. So spray your wheel wells. And why spray insulation? It's because with time, money, effort, this is money and time. Fast, good, no. It's the quickest, easiest, and it works best for me. But mainly it's quick and it's not that expensive. I guess foam board would be cheaper, but Havelock wool and insulate, that kind of stuff, is gonna be pricier than this. So for me, this is best. I'm no scientist. I'll show you this part. Tight. And I kind of open it, not all the way until they're both kind of open all the way. You see it shoot through. And I can open this one more so it goes faster, so it gets to where the other one is. You just want an even mixing. And then I'm gonna spray that into that bag for a couple seconds so it mixes. And then we're good. I wasn't really planning on showing how, but I feel like people might want to know, I guess. This is the fun part. It locks. You gotta turn it on. Alright, now it's coming out. The other thing I should have said is wear a respirator. For sure, should have worn one. But yeah, and it's done. And it like looks like it's, all this stuff though just dries and you just sweep it up. No metal showing except the metal I'm attaching to. And you might not even be attaching the metal if you're doing battens or something before your wall. You could do all the metal. That's honestly probably the way to do it. I'm attaching it straight to the wall. I'm using thick wood, which will also add insulation. So that's really all we need. Now we just let it dry, clean up that, and move on to the next step.